Hello again, guys. Today we're gonna unbox my new memory card because my old memory card I've given it to my mom and I get a new one. I bought the new one in the internet when it was on sale. And by the way, this is from Samsung and Pro Endurance. And this memory card is not uh, the same as your ordinary memory card. This one have longer lifespan and better endurance. And as you can see, it says here it's capable of reaching to lifespan to 43,800 hours. That's a long time. And here it says it is capable of recording 4K Ultra UHD video because it is class 10 and new one in here. So okay, let's check the back. Still the same, class 10 new one, and waterproof, magnet proof, temperature proof. I think it's good for overheating phones, like a very hot phone, when it lag a lot. So, and X-ray proof, because some memory card doesn't like X-ray and it goes crazy when you put it into the airport security X-ray, you know what I mean. And limited warranty until 5 years. And by the way, it says here the read speed, when you transfer data, pictures and videos to your memory, it has 100 megabytes per second read speed, and the write speed have 30 megabytes per second when you're taking video. But last time I checked in the internet, I'm gonna show you first. Okay, here it says the Samsung Pro Endurance have the read speed of 91.7 and the write speed is 34.6. So it's better than Samsung Evo with 2 points, I think. Yeah, 34.4 write speed and 34.6 compared to the other memory card. And yeah, let's open it. Okay, I have opened it and it includes, by the way, with a adapter. And let's check the back. Made in China, but this is original, guys, not the fake ones. And okay, so this is it, guys. If you enjoy my unboxing, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.